Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader. Leave.
A leaf. Thank you, Max. Hello. We're doing a finger play today about frogs. Okay, Max, will you help me? This little froggy broke his toe. Which one? Show me. This little froggy broke his toe. This little froggy said, "Oh, oh, oh." This little froggy cried and was sad. This little froggy, the next one, laughed and was glad. No, this one laughed and was glad. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. And this little froggy did just what he should. What did he do, Max?
He ran for a doctor as fast as he could.
As he could. Very good. Where's that little one? He ran for the doctor as fast as he could. Wait, start again. This little froggy broke his toe. This little froggy said, "Oh, oh, oh." This little froggy cried and was sad. Boo hoo hoo. This little froggy laughed and was glad. Ha ha ha. And this little froggy did just what he should. He ran for the doctor as fast as he could. This is a froggy finger play. This little froggy broke his toe. This little froggy said, "Oh, oh, oh." This little froggy cried and was sad. And this little froggy laughed and was glad. Ha 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 ha. Ribbit, ribbit. And this little froggy did just what he should. He ran for the doctor as fast as he could. Dr. Max.
I'm not the Dr. Max.
Who are you then?
I'm just Max.
You're just Max? Okay. And this little froggy did just what he should. He ran for the doctor as fast as he could.
A jeep is the doctor.
Jeep is the doctor. Okay, the Jeep is the doctor.
What happened?
Hey, Dr. Jeep, go ask Froggy what happened.
What?
This is the froggy that broke his toe. Come here, ask him. See what happened, little frog.
What will happen, little frog?
What happened, little frog? And the frog says, "This little froggy broke his toe. Oh, oh, oh. How can you help me, Dr. Jeep? What should I do? I broke my toe. That hurts."
You have to sit.
To sit? Okay, I'm sitting.
You have to sit very quietly.
Very quietly. Do you think it will help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Jeep and Dr. Max. Do you think it can be fixed?
Yes.
Can you help with my toe?
I fixed you.
You fixed me already. Thank you,
Now
Dr.
you
Jeep.
can go.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Jeep. Thank you. Thank you. Ribbit, ribbit. I'm happy now. I'm happy now.
And
I'm so sorry for laughing at your broken toe. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not sad anymore because your toe is fixed now. Yes, I'm so happy, you guys. I'm so happy that Dr. Jeep is really nice. He fixed my toe. Yay. Hummer Jeep. Remember, Hummer Jeep was a doctor today. Who did he help?
a croak.
What? A frog.
A froggy who broke his toe.
Yeah, Hummer Jeep was the doctor and he helped the froggy who broke his toe. This little froggy broke his toe. This little froggy said, "Oh, oh, oh." This little froggy cried and was sad. Boo hoo hoo. This little froggy laughed and was glad. And this little froggy did just what he should. He ran for the doctor as fast as he could.